Welcome to the Invest with Dennis channel, and today we're going to do a brief breakdown of the top 5 stories in the market. And this is of the weekend of July 27 to July 31st, 2026. The first story is Mega Cup earnings dominate the week. Amazon, Meta, Microsoft reported earnings with Apple and Qualcomm also on deck, following disappointing commentary of Alphabet the prior week that sunk its stock and hurt the broader market as investors weighed cap capex plans against earnings strength. The Roundhill Magnificent 7 ETF fell more than 5% on the week, even as cheap stocks rallied. Semiconductors ETFs ended higher the same week. Apple hit a historic milestone. Apple briefly touched 5 trillion market cap a day after overtaking Nvidia as the most valuable public company. Fed held rates steady. The FOMC decision came Wednesday with expectations in that the Fed would leave its target range unchanged at 3.5% to 3.75%, making a fifth straight meeting without a cut since December 2025. Energy oil swung on Iran de-escalation. Energy stocks led losses as oil prices fell after U.S. Iran eased over the weekend, with Chevron, ExxonMobil, ConocoPhillips all down sharply in pre-market trading, and European majors Total Energies, BP, Shell also lower. Yen and a big fund leveraged unwind made headlines. USD GPY dropped 2.6%, its biggest one-day decline since 2022, alongside reports of a large fund that had swelled to as much as 45 billion before suffering major losses in early July, forcing asset sales, a story still developing. Separately, Thursday's rallies lifted the tech sector into the green for the week, now up more than 16% year to date, and Jersey Mike's sub went public on the NASDAQ. So these are the top 5 stories of the week, and the market is always exciting. The market is always changing, and it's nice to be part of the market just to see what's going on. Next week, the story might be different. Probably, or should I say, there should be some more earnings next week, and we'll be doing an analysis on some of the earnings that are coming up next week. But as far as everyone, this is my message to you. Enjoy the weekend. Wherever you are, if it's summertime, enjoy the sun. Go to the beach, go to the rivers, unwind, relax, invest in your mental health. At the same time, invest in your physical health. This is the Invest with Dennis channel. You can find us on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Please feel free to like and subscribe and drop some comments. Let's share the word. Let's share the word. Peace and blessings to everyone. And I'll definitely see you on the next one. Ciao.